guys, welcome back to my channel. Magali here. Today I have a super quick and easy sun salutation practice for you. This is suitable for all stages of pregnancy. For a bit of reference, I'm 38 weeks. All you will need is your mat and a blanket to cushion the knees. The sun salutation is a great way to wake up the body and get the energy and blood flowing first thing in the morning. So get your bits, I'll see you on the mat. Starting at the top of your mat, I invite you to come at the top with your feet hip-width apart, if not a little bit wider. Let's roll the shoulders back. Just take a moment to arrive, connect with the breath, really feeling the feet firmly planted on the earth, soft knees. Beautiful. Let's do one more roll of the shoulders. Amazing. I invite you to close the eyes and place your hands on your belly, on bump. Take a big inhale here and a big exhale. Once more, big breath in, big breath out. Beautiful. Blink the eyes open when you're ready. And then on your next breath in, let's reach the arms up towards the sky. Lift the gaze, let's flow. Exhale, fold forwards all the way. You can widen the stance to make a bit more space for bump. Inhale, soft knees, press into the feet. Halfway lift, you can bring the hands onto the thighs. And then exhale, let's bring the hands down to the earth and step the feet back to tabletop, knees on your blanket. Keep the toes tucked under, palm to heels. Inhale, shine the heart up. Bring the backs of the hands to the back of your space. And then as you exhale, plant the hands towards tabletop, downward facing dog. Beautiful. Pausing here for a couple of breaths, pedaling it out through the feet, bending the knees one at a time. Stretching out the hamstrings and really pressing the hands into the earth. We don't want to sink into the shoulders. We're fighting gravity here. Beautiful. When you're ready, soften the knees, gaze forward. Step or walk the feet to the front of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, squeeze the shoulder blades together. So we're not finding this crunching action, we're really opening the front body. And then as you exhale, fold all the way, no tension in the neck. Let's come all the way up, root to rise, press into the feet, fingertips to sky, big breath in. Exhale, hands to heart center. Beautiful. That's one. Let's do 4 more. Big breath in. Inhale, reach, reach, reach. Grow tall for your day. Exhale, bow down to the earth. Fold. Halfway lift to create space for the breath. Inhale, squeeze the shoulder blades together. And then exhale, hands down. Step the feet back and the knees down. Keep the toes tucked under for a nice toe stretch as we bring the bum towards the heels. Big breath in, shine the heart. Exhale, plant the hands down, ground the knuckles. Push into the hands, bum to sky, downward facing dog. And you always have the option here to pedal it out through the feet or find a moment of stillness, yogi's choice. It's possible that your feet are a little bit wider than the hips, and that's absolutely fine. What we don't want is the feet together. We want to give ourselves a nice, strong, stable foundation. And then can you find a nice, calming breath? Deep and steady. Let's take one more here. Beautiful. Stepping or walking your feet to the front of the mat. Take your time, there's absolutely no rush. As you arrive at the top, press into the feet, weight slightly in the heels. Inhale, gaze forward, and exhale, fold. Beautiful. Root to rise. Inhale, reach, 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 grow tall. Exhale, hands to heart. Amazing. One breath, one movement. Inhale, reach it up. Find your flow. Exhale, fold forwards, tailbone to sky as you release down to the earth. Halfway lift. Inhale, gentle activation of the core, so hugging baby in. Exhale, plant the hands, step the feet back, knees down. Beautiful. Inhale, bump to heels. We shine. Hello, sky. Hello, world. Exhale, root the hands to the earth. Downward facing dog. Find a moment of stillness. Notice the heat building up in the body, the blood flowing. What are you creating space for in your body, mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually? Feel free to keep a soft bend in the knees. If anything, it's encouraged. Really pressing the hands into the earth. We don't want to sink the energy down. Take one more breath here. Amazing, mama. Okay, soft knees. Gaze forward, step or walk the feet to the front of the mat. Take your time. Big breath in, halfway lift. Beautiful, squeezing the shoulder blades together. Exhale, surrender down, let it all go. Root to rise, big breath in, reach it up. Exhale, hands to heart. No end, no beginning to the breath and movement. Inhale, we reach up. Exhale, we fold forwards. Halfway lift, big breath in. Exhale, bow down to the earth. Beautiful. Let's step the feet back, knees down. Inhale, bump to heels, reach the heart up towards the sky. Big inhale. Downward facing dog as you exhale. Finding your own rhythm now as you get used to the movement. Perhaps it's the same as mine. Perhaps it's not at all, and that's okay. Maybe your breath is slower. Maybe it's slightly quicker. Wherever you are, just staying in tune with your body, with the movement, with the breath. Grounding all knuckles of the hands into the earth in your down dog. Really pressing the ground away, tailbone to sky. Amazing. Let's soften the knees, gaze forward. Step or walk the feet to the front of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift at the top. Exhale, fold. Root to rise, come all the way up. Big breath in, hello day. Exhale, hands to heart, beautiful. One more time. Big breath in, reach, reach, reach. What are you calling into your body? Exhale, fold. One breath, one movement. You've got this. Find your rhythm. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, down. Hands and feet come back. Knees down. Bump to heels. You've got this. Inhale, shine the heart up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Perhaps you're in stillness. Perhaps you're pedaling it out through the feet. Yogi's choice as always. Find what feels good for you. One more breath here. You're doing amazing, mama. And then let's soften the knees. Step or walk the feet to the front. Inhale, halfway lift, hug baby in. Exhale, big fold, surrender. Let it go, no tension in the neck. Big breath in as you root to rise, reach for the sky, earth to sky. Exhale, hands to heart. Beautiful. That's our 5. I vote we do one more together for good luck. When you're ready, let's take an inhale, reach. Exhale, fold, surrender. Halfway lift, big breath in. Exhale, plant the hands down, step the feet back, and then the knees come to your blanket. Bum to heels, big breath in, shine your beautiful heart towards the sky. Exhale, root into the knuckles, bum to sky, downward facing dog. Stay with your breath, stay with yourself. Perhaps closing off the eyes if you need, if it helps. Feeling free to sigh it out and let go of any stagnant air or energy in the body. Let's take one more breath here. Amazing. Softening the knees and gazing forward. Stepping the feet to the front of the mat. At the top, inhale halfway. Exhale, fold. Let it go. Root to rise, come all the way up. Inhale, big breath in. Reach the fingertips towards the sky. Lift the gaze. Hands to heart. Exhale, beautiful. Pause here for one moment. Standing tall and strong at the top of your mat. Having saluted the sun, saluted your day, whatever time of day it is. I invite you now to bow the head down. Salute yourself for having shown up to your practice. Namaste. And that is your sun salutation practice. I hope you enjoyed the flow. If you did, it would mean the world to me if you would give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next Tuesday with another one. Bye, guys.